Welcome. Today I'm excited to share with you 7 incredible websites where you can start making easy money right from the comfort of your own home. I have personally used many of these websites, so I can vouch for their effectiveness and earning potential. Plus, all of these opportunities are 100% online and they are available worldwide. So whether you are in Africa, Asia, Europe, South America, you will get money from these websites. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share it with family and friends. So without further ado, let's jump into the first website on our list, and it's called usertesting.com. User testing is a platform where you can earn money by reviewing and answering questions about different websites. So companies and websites want feedback from you to ensure their platforms are user-friendly and effective. You are typically asked to perform simple tasks like navigating through the website while providing feedback, and the average pay per test ranges from $1 according to some sources and potentially to $30 per test based on personal experience. The tests usually take between 5 to 20 minutes to complete, allowing you to potentially earn up to $60 per hour. Second website is called listverse.com. Listverse will pay you to create engaging lists on various topics similar to those seen on their website. You'll be compensated for submitting interesting list titles, which can range from $100 per list. No writing skills are required, and you can leverage tools like ChatGPT to generate compelling list ideas. This platform offers opportunity to earn passive income by regularly submitting lists. The third website is called gotranscript.com. GoTranscript will allow you to earn money by transcribing audio content. You will listen to audio files and type out the spoken content, earning anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per audio minute. The website offers flexibility in work hours and pays on a weekly basis. They have no specific qualifications required, making it accessible to anyone with basic typing skills. Fourth website is called prolific.co. Prolific is a research platform where you can participate in surveys and studies conducted by various universities. You will contribute to advanced research fields and will be compensated with payments ranging from $6 to $12 per task. They have higher payouts compared to other survey websites, making it a viable option for earning money online. The fifth website is called preply.com. Preply connects language learners with tutors who can teach languages they are proficient in. Tutors can earn between $15 to $25 per hour by teaching languages like English, Arabic, Spanish, Hindi, and more. No teaching experience or qualifications are necessary, making it accessible to anyone with the language proficiency. The platform handles administrative tasks, allowing you to focus solely on teaching. The sixth website is called clarity.fm. If you are not new to my channel, you probably have heard about this website. Clarity FM is a platform where users can offer expertise and advice on various topics in exchange for payment. You can earn up to $100 per hour by providing one-on-one consultations on topics like sales, marketing, and more. No specific qualifications are required, so you can make money with this website with your knowledge and experience in different areas. The last website is called clickbank.com. This is an affiliate marketing platform where you can promote digital products and earn commissions on sales. As an affiliate, you will receive a unique link to promote products and earn percentage of each sale generated through your link. This website offers a low barrier entry, making it accessible to beginners with no prior experience. Affiliate marketing is one of the highest paying jobs when it comes to making money online. And there you have it. These are the 7 websites that offer fantastic opportunities to earn money online from the comfort of your own home. Whether you are reviewing websites, creating engaging lists, transcribing audios, participating in research studies, teaching languages, providing expert advice, or engaging in affiliate marketing, there is something for everyone. And on top of it, you can be based anywhere in the world and make money online with these websites. Remember, the digital age has made it easier than ever to generate income online. So why not take advantage of these opportunities and start making money right away? If you found value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. If you have any questions or want more in-depth guidance for these methods, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.